What's up, guys? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. As you read in the title of this video, guys, I'm just going to go over Tesla and do a technical analysis for ticker symbol TSLA. This is Think or Swim by TD Ameritrade. That's the particular platform that I'm using to do this technical analysis. And before I get into the technical analysis, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and drop a comment telling me that you're new to this channel, because once I hit 250 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway where I pick a random person from the comment section that recently subscribed to my channel and giving them a special something. So make sure you're subscribed so you could be entered into that giveaway. And let's just hop right into it, guys. Tesla, TSLA. So the first thing that I like to look at when I look into a swing trade, this is this particular stock that I'm going to be holding for about 3 to 4 weeks, upwards to maybe a month and a half, if everything goes my way according to the plan that I have here. So technical analysis for this is the 180-day chart right here. And whenever I do technical analysis, guys, I like to look at the 180-day analysis first so I can understand and determine whether this stock is showing a healthy uptrend over the long term, because that's the number one thing I look at with swing trades, guys, because I don't want to be holding a stock for a pattern of 2 to 3 weeks if it's continuously going down and it's not showing healthy signs over the 180-day analysis. So with Tesla, it's showing a nice, solid, healthy trend line over the 180-day analysis. We see that it goes up, drops down. It shows a lot of buy points and high points where we can sell off, and that's exactly what we want to see as swing traders here, guys. So first thing we like to do, like I said, 180-day analysis, understand and determine whether it's a healthy stock. Number two, we want to look and determine where the support is and where the resistances are. So the number one support we can point out here is at $2.90. There's another support right around here at like $300 to $305. And then we can see there's another support right around $310 where it bounced above this time and started to hold above, and that's exactly where I was looking to enter this position, guys. And I was looking very closely at the EMA line here as well for Tesla, and it recently just crossed the EMA line, and the EMA line is looking to start pointing upwards, which means this could start forming an uptrend and holding the uptrend that it's starting to confirm here, guys. So that's a very good sign for Tesla right now. We see resistances at $355 right here. That's the first resistance that we have. Then we have another resistance at about $390, and we could see the potential for profit here if we ended up getting in roughly at $320 to $325 is going to be anywhere from about 10% at $355 sell point and about 18 to 20% if it hits previous resistances of 390 and we sell right around there. So that is a very appealing stock here, as we can swing trade it for about a month or two according to these charts, and if everything goes as planned. So I'm looking at Tesla very closely now, guys. You should definitely keep an eye on it. Do your own research, do your own due diligence, understand the risk involved with trading a stock like Tesla. It's a very, very big company, so the moves that it makes on the charts are more understandable than a mid to or a small to mid cap stock. This is a very high cap stock, so the moves on the charts are more understandable for the beginner investor, but definitely still do your due diligence, do your research, and hope you guys enjoyed the video, found some value in it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Stas_surfs_entrepreneurship. Down below in the description, there'll be a link for that. Like the video, drop a comment, subscribe, turn on that bell so you get notified every time that I make a video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.